Hi everyone, I'm Paris, your active note taker for this session. We're discussing whether note taker features should be charged or bundled free. We have 15 minutes. I'll post the agenda now and go silent. I'll send nudge cards as we go. Say my name anytime if you need me. Let's start. What do today's note takers actually solve?
That started with a brainstorm.
So today, note takers mostly just summarize, right? And they don't help facilitate the meeting. Like how do people collaborate, make decisions during the meeting? That is something is lacking or use time. But so what do you, so you're saying that we should think about current, that's a landscape. Maybe Raj, you talk about the pricing here.
No.
Okay, someone from engineering, if you want to chime in on what could be better.
Okay, so the first thing I want in terms of features is that it is bot needs to have some working memory and it needs to check all the Jira, GitHub, what happened in the week or for this meeting, and similarly with other tools for CRM or other types of meetings. I think that would be something needed in order to reach the level of a teammate. I'm looking at note taker as a teammate.
Yeah, and I think that would justify with which the question is higher price point because if it starts taking action and things, then rather than just charging for voice agent, we'll charge for a teammate. So then we are talking about a portion of salary in this case. So that covers your second point, Paris. Is there anything else that we should cover?
Hi there. It sounds like you're discussing some key features you'd like in a note taker. For example, having working memory and integrating with tools like Jira or GitHub to summarize what's been happening before the meeting. Let's dig into that. Could you share a bit more about how you'd want that information presented, or what decisions you'd hope it could help facilitate during the meeting?
Okay, that would be all. Can we conclude now? Just summarize the discussion we have and we can call it a day.
Let me pull together what we discussed. Key points. 1. The participant highlighted the importance of note-taker features with working memory. 2. They emphasized integration with tools like Jira or GitHub to summarize past activities. 3. They mentioned using these features to help facilitate decision-making during meetings. Unresolved disagreement. 1. We didn't cover the exact pricing strategy, whether to charge or bundle for these features. Proposed action items. 1. Clarify the pricing approach for these note-taker features. 2. Explore the specifics of the integrations mentioned. 3. Define the core user value these features would provide. One follow-up question the group didn't explore. How would these features impact adoption rates? That's our time.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sure, let me